Alright friends, now we are starting really important topic in Python programming, which is list. So what's list? List is a structure that allows us to store multiple values in a single variable. So in other programming languages this is similar to the array, but Python has also array structure, but we usually have to import it manually. And why we use list instead of array? Lists in Python are more powerful than arrays. So we can store different data types in same list. And we can use it, of course, without importing anything. So let's create one list. For example, age. Age is equal to, for defining a list, I open square bracket and close it. Inside the square brackets, I define some age. For example, 20, 30, and 40. So let's print these lists. Inside the print function, I write age, and then I right click and run it. You see 20, 30, and 40. How many elements I have in my list? 3 elements. In list, we can store different data types. For example, let's define it. Student. My variable name is equal to, I open square brackets, and my, for example, first element is John. My second element is 30. My third element, for example, software engineer. So let's print student. I copy student and paste here. I run it. You see it's my second list. My first element is John, second element 30, and third element is software engineer. We can use different data type in list. And lists are ordered. So each item has an index, has an own position. We will see later. For example, we can access the element. For example, first element here, 20. How I access it? My 0 index hold first value. If I print here, I open square brackets and write 0. In zero indexed, I have first value, first element. I run it, you see 20. We will see later all. Right now, we learn what's list, how we define a list, what's the advantages, why we use it. We learn all. Okay, see you in the next lesson.